Hey, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a cute little cloud that's so happy it's puking a rainbow. It's kind of a silly one today, but here we go. I'm going to start off with the mouth. I'm going to curve up like this, and here the same, and connect them with an arch like this. And now gonna curve a little bit like this and going straight down till about here. Same thing here, curve a little bit in and straight down. From here I'm going to make a little like that. Same thing over here. And now going curve down and up again like this. When we're here, I'm going to curve all the way like this to make a droplet splashing up in the air. I'm going to do the same thing here. This one is a little bit lower, and we're going to connect these two. From here, I'm gonna go all the way to here and curve it like this. A smaller curve on the side and let it drop off. For an extra splash, I'm gonna get over there. And now for some rainbow stripes, I'm gonna go down. Like this. And we have ourselves a rainbow. Now for the cloud, I'm gonna come from here and curve all the way up. Same thing here. And straight. All the way up. Like this. Make it a little bit more round to indicate cheeks. From here, a smaller curve like this. And a bigger one on top. And going to curve down like this. Now for some squinting eyes, I'm gonna make this arrow shape. I'm going to fill it in with thicker outline and see you back in a few seconds. And we're done. A cute little puking cloud. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any requests, feel free to send them in a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.